It's January 2026, a brand new year. And right now, you're probably feeling one of two things: hope or the same old doubt. You've made promises before, you've tried to change before, and most times it didn't stick. But listen, this time can be different. Not because the year is new, but because you're going to do it differently. 2026 isn't about big, dramatic changes. It's about building discipline that actually lasts, the kind that turns into who you become. Here are 5 real steps to make 2026 the year everything finally changes for you. Step 1. Stop punishing yourself for the past. Discipline isn't about beating yourself up for what you didn't do in 2025. It's about self-love. Choose your future self over your impulses. Every time you feel like giving up, remember, this isn't punishment. This is love in action. Step 2. Start stupid small. You don't need a 5 a.m. wake up or 2-hour gym sessions on day 1. That's how most people burn out. Start with 5 push-ups. Read 1 page. Drink 1 glass of water first thing. Tiny wins stack up fast. By March, those tiny things become unbreakable habits. Step 3. Make it non-negotiable. No mood excuses. Your brain will say, "I'm not feeling it today." That's normal, but discipline means showing up anyway. Treat it like brushing your teeth. You don't negotiate with it, you just do it. The mood follows the action, not the other way around. Step 4. Track your wins, not just your goals. Don't just focus on the big dream. Track the daily proof you're moving. A simple note on your phone: did the thing today. Seeing that streak grow is more powerful than any motivation speech. It reminds you you're not the person who quits anymore. Step 5. Surround yourself with reminders of who you're becoming. Change your phone wallpaper to a quote that hits hard. Follow accounts that push you forward. Talk to yourself like the version of you in December 2026 would. You're doing this. You've got this. Your environment shapes your identity. Make it work for you. The truth is, most people will quit by February. But not you. Not this time. Because 2026 isn't just another year. It's the year you decide you're done settling. The year you choose discipline over comfort. The year you become the exception. Start today. 1 small, non-negotiable action. The future version of you is already thanking you. You've got this. Let's make 2026 legendary.